Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a dragon fruit nice cream. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 1/4 of a cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my walnut milk. I'm also going to need 2 bananas that have been frozen and peeled, and then I'm also going to be using the flesh of 1 frozen dragon fruit that I've taken the flesh out and cubed up before I froze it. I'm also going to be using my Ninja Auto IQ food processor to make this nice cream. So why don't you guys come on in here and we'll get started. Alright, all we're going to do is take our ingredients. I'm going to start with my milk. I'm going to take the bananas and just break them into thirds. And then I've got my dragon fruit. And we're just going to blend that on a low at the start and work our way up. All right, 1 minute later, and we have beautiful, creamy dragon fruit nice cream. Now I'm gonna get this bowled up, get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit, and I will see you guys in a minute. All right guys, I got the kitchen tidied up. I've got my dragon fruit nice cream all bowled up, ready to go. It looks fantastic. It turned out super creamy. It just looks great. I think I'm not even gonna use my spoon and just give it a try. So good. 2 of my favorite fruits in one. Delicious, nice cream. Yeah, you could probably flavor it with, I don't know, something, maybe chocolate or something, but I love the flavor of banana and I love the flavor of dragon fruit, so I just kept this as pure as possible. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos with me, Plant-Based Gabriel, hit the subscribe button. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, hoping I will see you guys very soon.